Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Derek Hunt and I make inspirational videos and tutorials on stained glass. And today I'm making a video that unfortunately I never thought I'd have to make. I was given some bad health news. I've been diagnosed with bowel cancer. I'm going to have to go for surgery in the near future. And obviously I'm not going to be able to make videos for you. So I just wanted to thank you, the creative community, for everything that you've done over the last year in supporting this channel. And thank you for your continued support. And if you don't hear from me over the next few weeks, that's the reason why. But hopefully we'll get back together again soon and I'll be fighting fit and ready to make more videos for you and we can continue our journey together. So thanks again for everything and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.